Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add cars in Roblox. Okay, first go to Home tab and click on Toolbox. Here in the Toolbox, go to Vehicles and let's just select the first red car. Just click on it and it's going to be added to your... Now in Roblox Studio, all you have to do to test your car is to go to the play button and wait for the game to start playing. To enter the car, press E on the keyboard, and that's it guys. You can drive around in your car that you just added using Roblox Studio. The process is very simple, but many people are searching for this, and this is not just about adding a car, but about adding any object to your Roblox Studio game. And that's it guys. That's how you add cars in Roblox Studio. Subscribe to my channel for more Roblox games. My channel is about a lot of different things, but currently I'm making Roblox Studio tutorials. But that's it guys, this is how you add cars in Roblox Studio.